Welcome back to the cabin. It's the last week in July, and I decided to come up for a couple days to see what's going on. I haven't been here in a month, and the weeds are really getting crazy. I'll show you that in a second. What I want to show you first is my new driveway. This is a ledge pack that my excavator put over the rocks that were here to smooth out the surface. And then over on the side here, in the trench, the uphill trench, he put stone, he filled that in with stone so I don't drive my car into the ditch. And that's what it looks like going down and the rest of the driveway. This is some of the stone that my excavator put in the ditch on the uphill side of the driveway. Looks to be about 3-inch stone, so that'll keep me from driving into the ditch with the car. And it rained today, and this ledge pack holds up very well in the bad weather. So I am quite happy with my new driveway surface, which is why I'm giving it so much video time. So these are the weeds and tall grass that greeted me. So my first task is to cut those down, and then I can start bringing stuff in from the car. Beautiful day up here today. I just wanted to give you a view of the mess this lawn looks like, or my weed patch behind the cabin. So I'm going to go through and pull up the big ones, then I'll use the weed whacker for the small weeds in the grass. Here's my shooting range. It needs some work too. This is the side where the septic system is. So I got a lot of weed clearing to do today. I picked up another canoe today. This is a 15-footer. This will make my collection of canoes number 3. An old friend of mine can't use the boat anymore, so they gave it to me. So I brought it back to the cabin. We'll take it off and store it up on the side there. I like this canoe. It's 2 or 3 feet shorter than my big canoe, and it's easier to move around by myself. So this will be a good addition to the stable of canoes. I don't know if you can see this, but it's just like pouring buckets outside right now. It's been doing this on and off all day. It'll rain like this, and the sun will come out. An hour later, we'll get another rain like this. Only lasts for 5 or 10 minutes. So, been doing work inside today, cleaning up. This is what I got done with the weed whacker. It rained today, so that stopped me. But I got the back cut pretty much. Those other plants I got to pull out by hand. And I got about half of this trim back, but this area on the side of the house where the septic system is, I didn't get to that, so we'll have to do that next time. Because it was raining today, I spent some time inside cleaning the place up a bit. I'm going to have some visitors here later in the month, so I moved the table, the dinner table, over to the back windows. Moved the couch at right angles to where it was, and then As you come in the door here, I've got a table with my different charging stations, and I've got the refrigerator there, and behind it is the one 12-volt outlet that I have hooked up now, so all these devices will hook up to that when they need charging. Cleaned up this section so we can drop the Murphy bed, sleep 2 people. The coat rack there is on wheels, so we can move that over here to the side, get the Murphy bed down. And what else did I do here? Tried to tidy up a little bit. Move the rocking chair over here. That can go pretty much any place. And I still got my wood stove stuff and my kettlebell there. That's okay for now. It's not going to get in the way. So I am headed back to Massachusetts now. I've got an eye doctor appointment tomorrow, so I got to head back. I was only up here for 2 days this trip. I didn't get quite as much done as I wanted, but that's okay. It's just nice to get up here, enjoy some peace and quiet, and the sound of the rain on the roof. Alright, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.